everybody. Welcome to day 2 of the 2024 Fluid Motion Factory Rendezvous. We're just setting up for our Margarita Happy Hour on the dock behind us. By the end of this happy hour, we'll have gone through 10 gallons of tequila, 48 pounds of guacamole, 6 gallons of salsa, and 250 pounds of ice. So we'll have blended fresh margaritas on the dock. It's a lot of fun. It's one of our favorite events of the year. We're just wrapping up our last seminar on the lawn right now. Kevin Vanderhayden is giving a talk on exterior boat maintenance. We had other great seminars today from Garmin. We had Bruce and Maggie Tate, authors of the book Currently Away, come and talk to us about the Great Loop. And we had Olinda Blackburn from Maiden Voyage come and give a Boating 101 and Boating 102 seminar. So thank you to those speakers. We appreciate you being here. Today was day 1 of the official fisheries supply crabbing and fishing derby. We've had over 175 pounds of coho come through the scales today. I mean, we're seeing a ton of fish on the dock. We've had over 50 pounds of Dungeness crab. There's still another full day, and there's a lot of people on the dock that know where to catch them. If you need tips, go talk to Robert at the fishery supply desk in the welcome tent, and he'll set you up with somebody to see if they'll share their secrets. Today was day 1 of the Cornhole Tournament. After 2 hours of play, we're down to 1 team, Brett and Joe. Nice job, guys. Tomorrow, we'll have our second bracket. The winner of that will go on to play Brett and Joe on the lawn at 3:30 tomorrow afternoon. Things are heating up in the Scavenger Hunt. There's a lot of movement on the leaderboard. Currently, Brian Bloom, American Flyer, you are in first place. There's fresh challenges coming out Saturday morning, and the entire Scavenger Hunt ends at 12 o'clock on Saturday. So make sure that you get all of your challenges in by then. There's plenty of time for anybody to win them. Y'all better saddle up for Saturday, because it's gonna be busy. Starting at 8:30 a.m., Martin Nepkin from Channel Surfing, he's doing a seminar on the lawn called To Desolation, Sound and Beyond. Don't miss that. We also have the second bracket for the Cornhole Tournament. So if you wanna play and you haven't, there's still time. Go to the welcome tent and get signed up. If you don't have a partner, you can sign up for a partner there as well. Speaking of partners, the Blindfolded Dinghy race is tomorrow. The Blindfolded Dinghy race we've been doing here for over 10 years, and we've done it for years prior to that. It's a tradition, it's a lot of fun. If you're looking for a partner for the Blindfolded Dinghy race, come to the welcome tent, tell the people working there, they'll help you connect with someone else who has a boat or who is looking for a partner. Saturday at 2:55, we're gonna do our group picture. Everyone's gonna line up right here at the head of the dock. After we snap the photo, we all walk up for the Roundup at Roche. Happy hour, dinner, cornhole final, and some dancing. Make sure you're dressed to impress. There's good prizes for the best costume. Speaking of best dressed, tomorrow between 12 and 2 p.m., we have some top secret judges that'll be walking the docks, every dock here at Roche Harbor, to decide the winners of the 2024 Best Decorated Boat Competition. We'll announce the winners of that during the dinner. At 9:30 Saturday morning, come to the welcome tent, the party barge, check out the Artisan Fair, see the handmade goods that all the Ranger tugs and cutwater owners have made, they brought to sell. If you have something you want to sell, feel free to come down, we have tables available. That's it for day 2. We need to head down to the dock and start making some margaritas. We'll see you at the happy hour. Enjoy your evening tonight. We're at one of the most beautiful places in the world. So enjoy it, and we'll see you Saturday.